Hey guys, my name is Abha and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about choosing your career goal. Choose your career goal now. A career goal answers why should I study question. This answer helps you realize that studying is a path to your destination, that is your dream career. Work on this path properly and you will definitely reach your destination and live happily too. Besides, research has shown that students who choose career goals early score better grades and have fewer academic problems. Why is this so? Simply because when you choose a career goal of your choice, you feel a strong desire to achieve it. This desire ensures you love your studies. When you love your studies, 50% of your study problems will automatically be solved. Once you choose your career goal, do a smart thing. List all the small and big benefits you get when you realize your dream career. Check this list frequently or whenever you lack the desire to study. Visualize how you want to live your life. If you are yet to decide a career goal, don't worry. You can use the exercise given to choose right career goal. This exercise is based on the following principle. A lot of information is stored in your brain. In this huge storehouse of information, there is information related to your career goal also. How? It is hidden in the form of your reactions to stories you heard, the experiences of others, movies you saw, books and articles you read about different careers, etc. When you do this exercise, your brain checks its vast storehouse of information and gives you the hints to choose the right career. Follow these steps. Close your eyes, let your mind run wild, and imagine. How do you want to live your life? What kind of job do you want? Imagine yourself in detail in each of the career options you are considering. Do this for 15 to 20 minutes. Open your eyes slowly and ask yourself, which career can I enjoy the most? Note the idea or answer you receive. If you do not get a satisfactory answer, try this exercise again after a few days. Your goals should be higher enough to inspire you and realistic enough to be achieved. While setting any goal, be judicious. Do not set goals that are too easy. Ordinary goals do not motivate. Also, do not set goals that are too difficult. You might feel overwhelmed and give up midway. The best trick to start with goals that seem near but are far enough to make you jump to reach them. Challenging, isn't it? Now do not worry about whether you will be able to achieve academic or career goals that you set. Just set your goal and start trying to achieve it. Remember, no one is born with a particular skill or ability. Everyone must develop specific skills and abilities after coming into this world. Also, here's a special tip. You can develop any skill or ability you need to achieve success in your career goal by using two strategies. First, learn a particular skill from people who are good in it. Second, use that skill repeatedly till you become an expert in it. Ensure your goals are specific and clear. Your brain does not work properly when it receives confusing orders. Your brain will help you focus on your goal only when it is specific. It's like saying, I want to enjoy my summer holidays in the foreign country. Foreign country? Okay, but where? Without being specific, how can you book tickets, make travel plans, and organize reservations? It just does not work. It is the same with your career. If you are not specific in choosing your career goal, you can't be motivated enough to succeed. Now you might say, I'm so young, I'm studying, how can I choose a specific goal? Okay, friends, you think it is a genius excuse, but sorry, you must still choose a specific goal. Why? Simply because only a specific goal can influence you to do, think, and act like a brilliant student. Besides, you can change your career goal later if you find a better one. Got it? Now, what is your specific goal? Did you say I want to become an engineer? This is still not specific enough. But if you say I want to be a software engineer with a ME degree, it is more specific. So decide today. Choose a career or educational course you really like. Yes, just any specific career goal is not enough to make you fly like a rocket towards it. You must be passionate to achieve your career goal. Why? When you are passionate, you will never need a daily push from your parents or teachers to attend school or college every day, to do homework on time and prepare well before exams. You will take all the essential steps to succeed in your studies automatically. Here is some food for thought. In your workshops, we usually ask students what they want to become. Here is what we find again and again. Students who replied instantly usually scored high in exams. Students who took time to reply usually scored average marks in exams. Students who said, I'm yet to choose my career, usually scored below average or had failed in the exam. What is the secret behind that instant answer? Students who answered instantly had already chosen the career goal they loved and had strong desire to reach it. This influenced them to study harder. Choose a career that is in demand. Oh dear, it is not enough to choose a career goal that you are passionate about. Your passionate goal should be also in demand. Now, how do you cross this hurdle? Here's how. Ensure that the career you are so passionate about is able to solve some burning problems or fulfills a basic need of people. Then it will be in demand. What is basic and what is not? For example, a career in sports, dance, or music does not fulfill a basic need. This is because most people can survive their entire life without such services. But a career that is directly or indirectly connected to provide shelter, food, clothes, education, protection, energy, finance, etc., will be in demand even in times of scarcity. This is because people can't lead satisfactory lives without these. Take the help of others if required in choosing a meaningful career. Sometimes choosing a career goal is not that easy, especially if you have many skills and options. If you face such a situation, seek help from your parents, teachers, seniors, or career counselors to choose the best career for yourself. But don't allow others to impose their choice on you, especially if you do not like a particular career suggested. Preparing for that career that you dislike is more stressful. Also, you can't function at full potential in such careers. Remember, when you are in a wrong career, you can't be the best. When you are not at your best, you will not be satisfied and might even earn less, leading to stress or other problems. So choose the career right. When you find it difficult to make a choice between two or more career goals, meet people those careers and collect additional data. When you have multiple skills and many career options, it is tough to choose a career goal. The best way to solve this problem is to meet career people from the fields you are interested in and seek more information on the sector and future trends. Use this to take the right decision of your career. At such meetings, ask questions like these. Will there be enough demand for new entrants in this field by the time I finish my education? What scope does this have for my development? What specific skills and qualifications do I need to enter and succeed here? What is the earning potential? Does it call for teamwork or independent activities? Or what are the working hours? Answer to these questions will help you take a better decision. Set your academic goals. Once you have decided on a career goal, plan your steps to reach that goal. The most important step is to know the percentage of marks or the grade you need to gain admission in the course that qualifies you to enter your chosen career. Now decide the percentage or grade you want in the exams. Be specific. Your brain designed to hit specific targets. Most students prepare well for some subjects but lay less attention to others. This result is tragedy. It's goodbye to their dream career. Prevent this tragedy by setting specific targets for each subject, when you will pay equal attention to all subjects in your course. Always remember, you can achieve whatever target you set by making the right use of your brain power. Choose and record your dream life. What is this dream life? Dream life means to choose and decide exactly what kind of life you want to live in future. This is very important because your dream life gives a definite purpose to your life and helps you to live a meaningful and happier life. How do you choose your dream life? A dream life is answer gives answer to these questions. What would you like to become when you grow up? That will be your career goal. How much would you like to earn? What kind of lifestyle would you like to lead? Where do you wish to settle? Answer the above questions carefully and you will have an idea about your dream life. You will have a particular picture of how you want to live your life. Now, just don't think about the answer, or you will soon forget everything. Pull out your notebook or any diary. On the top of a page, write My Dream Life. Then write your answers one by one. Your dream life is ready. Set priorities of your goals. When you have more than one goals, give priorities to that goal which is very important and which you need to achieve as early as possible. Once you achieve this goal, go to the next one. For example, you have written in your dream life, you will certainly get many goals to achieve in life. Now, which goal should I achieve first? Work on the goal that needs immediate attention first. Give it top priority. As a student, the most important thing is to prepare for your career. And the best way to prepare for this is to study well and score high so that you can gain admission in higher courses easily and do well in job interviews. This means the immediate goal you should achieve now is score higher in the next exam. This is your top priority. When comes goals like finding a good job, earning money, buying a house, etc. So start working towards your top priority goal by filling out my career goal and my subject wise scoring target cards if you haven't done yet so. If necessary, review or change your goals. You can modify or rewrite your goals completely if you find a better one, but ensure you don't change your goal frequently. Changing goals frequently may confuse your brain. As a result, you might lose focus and may not be able to work efficiently to reach your goal. Change your goal only if the new one will ensure more benefits, more happiness and satisfaction and a better future. But be aware that changing your goals drastically or entering a new career field after completing your education results a lot loss of skills and knowledge. However, you can minimize this loss by choosing a career goal in the same field to make use the most of your skills and knowledge. For example, if you don't want to be a practicing doctor after completing MBBS, you can become a researcher or teacher in a medical college. If this video was helpful, then like, share and subscribe to A Successful Life for more updates. Thank you and meet you in the next video.